Ladies, are you really getting the most out of your wavy style? So today's wig has a huge parting space. The one thing I do like about this 7x5 is that it comes down further here. Pulling it back, it gives you a really good coverage there. So you don't have to worry about it looking odd or having any wefts just showing right here at the front hairline. All right, so this is one of their most popular styles on their website. I have shared this wig before. Yeah, you really tend to love this style. So I'm bringing it back again because I feel like this wig is super beginner friendly. As you can see, just setting the wig on my head, if I wanted to, I can just go, you know, everything out the box is perfect. So glueless install today, I'm just going to tighten both of the straps, new adjustable strap. And I tell you guys over and over again, I love this strap because it's comfortable, it's not bulky, it just gives a really good, as you can see, secure hold. And then the next strap I'm going to take and tighten is, of course, the drawstring, which is also inside of this wig. Combining both of these can help your wig to be on there without, as you can see, moving. It's not going anywhere. With the drawstring, you don't have to tighten it too much because you have the other strap. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do some beginner friendly hairstyles with this wig. The hairline looks like it's growing from the scalp. I have done nothing to it. It comes with this side part. The lace blends perfectly around that hairline. Look at that. So gorgeous. I want to brush it out style and then lock in the waves because you want your style to stay locked in. So I'm going to take my unbrush and brush out the hair. As you can see, the highlights are gorgeous. This is like black with like brown highlights going through it. You can see that the hair gets super big. It's still really pretty. And I know a lot of the ladies love always define the wavy and the curly textures, but these styles can be worn without throwing so much hair mousse in it or wetting it down to get that wet and wavy look. Sometimes we have to switch it up, ladies, okay? Curly hair can be big and still look good. So that's the first style I am going to do with it. It's just simple. I'm gonna leave it how it is out the box. Take my wax stick, going to go down the parting, my hot comb, and lay down the roots of the hair. Now the one thing I do love about this style is how natural it looked. Like it looked good right when I first started. Just with the hot comb, it took it to another level. Like now it just really looked like it's growing from my scalp. I'm gonna lay down the back, make sure it's positioned right. And as you can see, this is what it looks like if you wanted to wear it big. I love it. It's giving being very sexy. I'm that girl now. No, I'm that girl. It's not a hot wig. The one thing about the texture, the wavy textures, is that it's very airy. But as you can see, there's no tangles in the hair. But this is my vibe right here. This flow. Okay. You don't have to use mousse all the time. You really don't. All right, so let's do a half up, half down style with this wig. You can even run the comb through it. Just a small tooth comb, which I don't recommend. Bring out just a little bit of edges here. I don't like the look of looking like I went and got a tape line from a barber. So I like to create some type of something. Gonna pin this out the way. You don't have to leave out a lot of hair for this. You can keep it very simple and just take out just a little bit. Gonna take just a little bit of hairspray on the brush and just smooth everything down. Just enough. All right, so for the top section, I am gonna pull it up. So I'm gonna part it. I actually wanna see the parting. I'm gonna leave just a little bit of hair to cover the wefts. And then just press the hair flat so I can see that parting. And that's one side, and I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side. Now again, this wig will be linked below in the description box. This is one of their hot selling wigs. For the top, I'm gonna smooth it up. Just press it up with the hot comb. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all, I miss my hot comb with the oven. I stopped using it because I kept forgetting to turn it off. And if they ever make those again with a like sensor that will cut it off if it's on too long, I'll probably use it again. The oven hot combs are a 10 out of 10 for sure. It'll have you looking like you went to the salon. All right, so this area here, I'm just gonna pull it up. Look how pretty that is. I mean, that took little effort. And let me slide back so you guys can see. Like, look how gorgeous this is. I don't even feel like I need to define anything. Like, it just looks so good like this. True, it flows. The color is just giving really pretty. I really like this. So this is another style you can wear. You can also go back if you would like and do a middle part instead of having the side part. Let's see what it looked like with the middle part. Oh, that actually parted pretty good. Another thing I really like about this style is the highlights are even. So no matter where I part the hair, I'm gonna have an even amount of highlights on each side. There was one wig I had and I noticed that when I switched the parting, all my highlights went to one side. Yeah, that is a no. That is a no, because you can't forget to add the highlights evenly, only because you want to be able to have versatility without one side being just lighter than the other. But this one is definitely even all the way through. This is really pretty. Now, let me know in the comment section, do you all prefer your wavy like this, or do you like it defined? As soon as I finish this, I'm gonna go ahead and do the normal for you guys. Define the waves. You can let me know in the comment section which you prefer. So this is what it looks like with a middle part. Can't get enough of this. This is so pretty. I feel like this is more of me right here. I can just flatten it down just a tad bit more. Right. Yes. Okay. So this is style number 3 with the fluff. So pretty. Performing so well. I love it. All right, but if I must, let's go ahead and wet it down. Define the wave. Another great thing about this style for beginners is if you want to go from straight to wavy, wavy to straight, you can do that. You can really like be straight one day, go to the pool the next day, and your hair just wave up. So that's the one benefit you can get from a wavy style like this. And I probably won't super define it, make it too defined. Take some hair mousse, put it down the hair. So this is what it looks like once it's wet. And with the products I use in the brush, it made the waves a bit more chunkier. Yeah, you can definitely spiral it a little bit if you want to. This is another look you can wear. The wet look, okay? Now this is the go-to look that everybody loves. So I will be sure to link this wig below in the description box for you guys. Again, this wig is from BeautyForever. You can check out my previous video if you want to see how it looked completely defined, dry, and all that good stuff. I do have another video on this style. I like this wig. It's really nice. You guys be sure to subscribe. Leave me a comment below and tell me, do you prefer this wig fluffed out or do you like it defined? Drop me a comment, let me know below, and I will see you all back in my next video.